Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're doing something a little different on the channel. We'll be doing a glasses haul from Fytoo. Thank you Fytoo for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know, I do wear prescription glasses. Not as much as I should though. I was sent, I believe, 5 pair of glasses, all prescription, different designs, to try on for you guys. So if you guys are looking for an affordable prescription or non-prescription glasses company, stay tuned for their unique and cute designs. So let's go ahead and unbox. I have been meaning to set an appointment with my eye doctor for the last couple months, and it's time. But my prescription has been the same for the last couple of years, so not much has changed, but obviously you want to go every year to make sure nothing has truly changed. I chose, again, 5 different designs. So in the box, you get the glasses cleaner, you get a ruler, a handbook on how to take care of the glasses, and they come in cute pouches. So let's go ahead and open up the first pouch. So I like funky fun glasses, and what better way of getting funky fun glasses with your prescription in them. So this is the first pair. I love how they come in protective. They come all protective, like they come in pouches but they're protected. I wanted to get some fun white glasses. Stop. These are so cute. I love these, and I love how it just contrasts well with my skin tone. Yeah, these are so cute. I dig these. They fit very well. Like if you have your prescription, all the prescription that you would need, contact your doctor, get all the numbers, and make sure you measure your face so that way these glasses fit perfectly, and this fits so perfectly. And did I say that these glasses are affordable? We love me some affordable glasses. Now just be careful when it comes to these white glasses. Like again, if you're my skin tone, it will stain, your makeup will stain these glasses, so make sure you have your glasses cleaner with you. On to the next. These are hot. These are so cute. I'm digging these. Also, they do add, I believe, the blue screen protector on there. So like if you're looking at a computer screen all day, it's important to have these in your glasses. But these are so cute. I just love how it makes my face feel. It just fits this. I didn't think that these designs will fit my face perfectly, but they do. Yes, digging them. So you know I had to get me some shades. And I thought these would fit my face structure so well, and they do. And being that the light is looking right at me and it's really bright, it's definitely blocking. Yeah, I believe these, I believe you could take the shades off of these. Sorry. Yes. Oh, these are so nice. And then you're gonna put the shades on, you just put the shades right on top. It clicks right in place. So you could have shades and then you can have glasses. So if you're going into the office, you got your shades on, all you gotta do is boom, boom. Definitely a top favorite. What was that? Okay. What's so cool about these is that these can go with any outfit I have on. So if I'm wearing an outfit tomorrow, I have 5 different pairs to choose from to match my outfit. If you guys would like a lookbook of workwear outfits with these glasses, let me know and I'll definitely get that out to you guys. This is the 4th pair. Just call me Mrs. Russell. I look like I stand on business. Like these are so cute. And just yesterday my sister was just telling me how my mom just got some new glasses. I'm about to put her up on this company too because she needs to be styling with her daughter. These are so cute. I didn't think that these would go well with me, but go to the principal's office. Super cute. Definitely top 3 in my book. I believe last but not least, did I get 5 or 4? Oh, no, guys, I only got 4 pairs, right? Stop. No way. Those shades come with different ones, you guys. Wait. Okay, hold on. Hold up. You guys, you can get different styles. Okay, so you got these, right? Click this in. Stop. I'm obsessed. These are so... like an FBI agent. Just give me a hat and it just kills the look. Like, what? All right, let's try the other ones. I'm super excited for this yellow. What? This is hot. I love this. This gives summer. This gives summer. Like, this just adds warmth into the room. This is so cute. I'm digging this one. I can see myself wearing this one a lot more. These are like brown. I love these. I love it. I absolutely love it. Fytoo, yeah, I did y'all big one with this. I love this. Love it. Last but not least, we gotta have yourself one of these. Yeah, you that girl. I absolutely love this. Absolutely love it. Just because of all of those, like, this is definitely number one. Definitely number one. And the fact that you can buy different styles. Wait, did I do this one? Did I? I did, because it's blue. Yeah. Absolutely love it. What was your favorite out of all these glasses? Because again, these were my favorite. And my second favorite is this style. It's just giving a real chic look, and I just love it. Third fave. Yeah. And then last but not least, fave, which I love. Don't get me wrong, just because it's last doesn't mean I don't love it. I just love the other styles a lot more. It's the white. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly enjoyed going through these glasses. Like, this is definitely gonna spice up my wardrobe. Like, accessories spice up and give you that extra oomph when you have a nice outfit on. So I am really excited to be wearing these. Moving forward, definitely check out, if you're interested, I'm definitely leave the link down below. Save some monies. This is already affordable, and you can use my discount code, which I'll have here on the screen, to take some more money off. Thank you again for watching, and if you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.